today is lesson 84, and we are going to review decimals to the thousandths. Okay, I know we've talked about this in class, but I think we have gone mostly to the hundredths. We have spent a lot of time on tenths, but I want to take you all the way to thousandths today, even though I know we've done it before, but let's just do it again, okay? All right, before we even get to decimal numbers, let's review all of the names of our places in a number, okay? This is the ones, tens, hundreds. Then we get to the thousands family. As a matter of fact, let's label this the thousands family. Thousands family. Okay, so now say it with me again. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. So now we're to the millions family. All of these are millions. Okay, let's start again. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, to million. So this is the millions place. 10 million, 100 millions. Okay? Now, after the decimal, we have tenths. Okay, so that's 1/10, so this would be equal to 2/10. This place value is called the hundredths. And remember, you have to put a TH on the end of it when you write it. So tenths, hundredths, and this is the thousandths place. Okay, so here we have 2/10, 3 hundredths, 8 thousandths, right? So now I'm going to read the whole number to you. 362,947,618. So remember, we read a whole family together at a time. That's how we know what number it is, okay? 362,947,618, and the decimal is always the word and, 238 thousandths. Okay, now we're going to practice on our lesson practice. Okay, take a look at the lesson practice for 84. Okay, the first one we have is 617 thousandths. So we will write that number as 0 whole numbers. We don't have any whole numbers in this. This is just a fraction, which means less than 1. So we have to put our 0.617. The last number has to end in the thousandths column. Okay, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Okay, number 2, we have 5 wholes, so that'll be 5 point. The 5 will come before the decimal and put it in the ones place. Okay, 5.346 thousandths. So 346 will go after the decimal, and the 6 must end in the thousandths place, right here. Okay, number 3, 72 hundredths. So the 2 is going to have to land in the hundredths column. So 0 wholes, we have a decimal, 0.72. Tenths place, hundredths place. Okay. Now for number 4, we have 2 wholes, 2 and 84. Is that right? 84 hundredths? Tenths, hundredths? No, this says thousandths. So I'm going to have to change this. The 4 has to land in the thousandths column. So I've got to scoot my 4 over to the thousandths column, and I need to scoot my 8 over into the hundredths column, and there are no tenths. Okay, so this says 2 and 84 thousandths. So now this is right, 2.084. Okay, look at number 5. We have 0.349 written here. okay? So the way that you read this is 349 thousandths, because the 9 is in the thousandths column. That's where it ends. So the way we write that fraction is 349 over 1,000, right? But now we have to write it in words. So we will write 349, and remember 49 is one of those numbers. The 40 is not spelled like the number 4, F-O-U-R. They take the U out for some reason and spell it without the U. 49, okay, thousandths. So we need to write thousandths, and that's with a D-T-H-S on the end of it. 349 thousandths. Okay, take a look at number 6. We have 5.128. The way you read this is 5 and 128 thousandths. So we're going to write that in a fraction form, which will be a whole number 5. And then for our fraction, we will write 128 over 1,000. Okay? Now we have to write it in words. So we write 5. Okay, and when we get to the decimal, we have to write the word and. If you ever see the word and, that means there's a decimal. 5 and 100 . Okay, now we have to write 28, 120-8 thousandths. Thousandths, D-T-H-S. Okay, 5 and 128 thousandths. Now, you try to do 7 and 8 on your own and see if you can get it right, okay?